धन संपादनार्थं विज्ञानम् अत्यावश्यकं, सामान्य आवश्यकं न, अति आवश्यकं। परन्तु सामान्यानां कृते विज्ञानम् अत्यावश्यकम् अपि धनमेव आवश्यकं मन्यन्ते, मन्यन्ते, they think. ज्ञानिनां कृते ज्ञानमेव आवश्यकं।
विद्य निगूढ गुप्त मगु वित्तम।
प्रारभ्यते। नमस्काराः, नमस्ते सर्वे। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। May I request Nakasudha ma'am to start our class with a wonderful shloka or beautiful poem song in it?
Suprabhatam Acharya, Suprabhatam Sarvebhyah.
Suprabhatam.
Ramachandram Rajivaksham Shyamalangam Shashvatakirtim. Ramachandram Rajivaksham Shyamalangam Shashvatakirtim. Komalahastam Kosalarajam Mamakahrit Kamalakarantam. Ramachandram Rajivaksham Shyamalangam Shashvatakirtim. कोमलहस्तं कौसलराजं मामकहृत् कमलागारन्तं मारुतियुक्तं धीमन्तं मानितभक्तं श्रीमन्तं कौमारवरं गुरुगुहमित्रं कारुण्यनिधिं दशरथपुत्रं भूमिसुतापं भूपतिरूपं कोमलपल्लवपादं मोदं कामगुरुं सीतारामं कौस्तुभभूषं वन्देऽहं रामचन्द्रं राजीवाक्षं श्यामलांगं शाश्वतकीर्तिं रामचन्द्रं राजीवाक्षम्।
Uttamam. I don't feel like I'm listening to something like Karnataka or Hindustani song. I feel like I'm listening to a modern, westernized Sanskrit song. Thank you very much for a beautiful one, ma'am. Today, let me share the classes. Lakshmana Reddy ji, namaste. Able to see the class for me? Today's class, 8th class?
Yeah, we are able to see the screen of your computer.
Yeah, thank you. Today, in the last class, I think we learned about the numbers. Ekam, Dve. Can anyone just count? Can anyone start telling that? Ekam,
Dve,
Trini, Chatvari. Excellent. Chatvari is 4. Pancha.
Shat. Sapta.
Very good. Sapta. Ashta or Ashtau. Okay.
Nava. Dasha.
Very good. Later.
Ekadasha.
Wonderful. Ekadasha.
Dvadasha.
Okay.
Chaturdasha.
Okay.
Panchadasha.
Okay.
Shodasha.
Okay.
Saptadasha.
Okay.
Ashtadasha.
Okay.
Navadasha.
Okay.
Vimshati.
Okay. Now, actually, I want to tell you something. For Navadasha, people also call it as Eka Una Vimshati. Repeat once again, please. Eka Una Vimshati. Eka is 1, Una is less, Vimshati is 20. 1 less 20. Eka Una Vimshati. Okay. Navadasha is a very rare word, but Ekona Vimshati, mostly used one. 1 less 20 is Eka Una Vimshati. What is 1 less 30?
Eka Una Trimshat.
Eka Una?
Trimshat.
That's it. Trimshati. Well, if it is 40,
Chaturvimshat.
very good. It is chatvarimshat. It is not ti. It is at. Chatvarimshat. Okay. If it is 1 less 50,
Eka panchashat.
panchashat. Very good.
Panchashat.
1 less 60,
Ekavuna
Shashti.
shashti. Ekauna shashti. Very good. 1 less 70.
Ekavuna Saptati.
That's it. Ekauna saptati. Very good. 1 less 80.
Eka atiti.
Ashiti. Ashiti. Very good. Ekauna ashiti. 1 less 90.
Eka navati.
Super. 1 less 100.
Eka shatam.
That's it. Wonderful. Now, okay. After 20, Vimshati, fine. What is 21?
Ekavimshati.
Very good.
Dvavimshati.
Very good.
Trayavimshati.
That's it. Trayo Vimshati. Generally, we tell the ones before, tens later. Yeah. Trayo Vimshati. Next.
Chaturvimshat.
Very good. Chatur Vimshati.
Yeah, Panchavimshati, Shadvimshati, Saptavimshati, Astavimshati, Navavimshati, Trimshat.
Navavimshati can be called other one as
Ekavuna
Trimshat. Ekona Trimshat. Very good, very good, very good. So, okay. So, we had the idea of numbers in Sanskritam. Now, how to pronounce them, how to, how to understand numbers. So, if there is any 1965, 1965, how to tell that?
Sahasra.
First, a single digit. First one.
Oh, okay.
Pancha.
Very good. Pancha.
Panchashasti Uttara Sahasra.
Okay. Pancha Shashti Uttara Sahasra is 1065. 1965. What is 19 now?
Navati.
19.
Ekona.
Vimshati.
Ekona. 20. What is 20?
Dvimshati.
What is 20?
Vimshati.
Vimshati.
Dvimshati. Ekona Dvimshati.
No, it is not Dvi, it is the V. Vimshati.
Dvimshati.
Ekona Vimshati. Okay. Pancha Shashti Uttara Ekona Vimshati Shata. 1965. Pancha Shashti Uttara Ekona Vimshati Shata Samvatsare.
Yeah, can you repeat again, Raghuram?
Pancha Shashti. 1965. Pancha Shashti Uttara Ekona Vimshati Shata Samvatsare.
Okay, got it. Oh.
Okay.
So first
The
one,
reverse order.
second 10, next this one. If it is 2319, how will you use it? 2319.
2319. Okay. 19 is called Ekona Vimshati.
Ekona Vimshati Uttara.
What was the question again?
2319. 19 is fine. Ekona Vimshati Uttara. 23.
Ekona Vimshati, 23. Trivimshat.
Trayo Vimshati.
Trayovimshat.
Trayovimshati.
Ekona Uttara. Trayavimshat.
Ekona Vimshati Uttara Trayo Vimshati Samvatsare or Trayo Vimshati.
Yeah, let me repeat that. Ekona Vimshati Uttara Trayovimshati Samvatsare.
Samvatsare or Shatam.
Shatam.
Shatam is 100. 2319.
Is it 2319 or 1923 you're talking about?
I told 2319. The
So,
question is 23. The 2319 is the question, not 1923. If it is 1923, how it will be?
Will be Trayo Vimshati.
Uttara.
Trayo Uttara. Eka one
Ekauna Vimshati.
Ekavana Vimshati.
Shatam.
Satam.
Shatam is 100.
Satam.
Very good. Wonderful. Very good. So today we'll just get into the new concept All these things will be for practicing of our conversation in future, like maybe in 1-2 classes. One more thing is there, tenses I need to explain in dhatu. Today, let me go to the time and vibhakti. After 2 or 3 maximum classes will be only in conversation. Generally what happens, we'll be doing conversation continuously. Meanwhile, we'll learn something like dhatus, grammatical concepts. In general, so Surabharati or Samskrita Bharati concepts will do that. First, they teach you how to communicate, then teach you grammar. But today, what we are doing from last 8 classes is we are learning grammar along with communication. Most concentration is on grammar because there is no language without grammar. So the existence of language itself lies in grammar only. So this is what we do. We are doing is we are learning language along with the grammar importance of the grammar. So today we learn about time and vibhakti. How to see time?
Raghuram Garu, one quick, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
I think couple of classes ago you gave us the dhatu in the present tense with the Purusha Linga. A chart.
For dhatu, there will be no Purusha and Strilingas on. I gave present tense.
Right, present. Oh, it didn't matter whether it's Purusha or Strilinga.
Sita khadati. Sita is eating. In any language, Sita is eating, Rama is eating. Eating will not change. Gender will be only to the person.
But when I said one thing, Ramaha Sitaya. So you Sitaya Vana Gachati. So you corrected that. I think instead Sitena I mentioned. Yeah. So you corrected to Sitaya. So I was kind of coming to that context there.
Yeah. Today we are going to read that.
Alright. Sorry to jump ahead, I guess. Yeah.
No problem. Actually, for dhatus roots, there will be no gender bias. But for a person, there will be. Ramaha is a masculine gender, Sita is a feminine gender. So we'll find the difference there. Today, let me introduce you to the vibhaktis, the meanings, then we'll go to the gender differences, okay? Yeah. So going to the first class, Samayaha, this is time. What is time called in English? Do we have any synonyms for time? Synonym for time?
AM, PM.
AM, PM is only for
AM, PM,
particular concept. That is anti-meridian, post-meridian is only for that's okay. But I want time, any representation of the meaning of time. A synonym.
Samayam.
I'm not
English.
asking Sanskritam or our language, but in English. Do we have any time?
Can't think of anything.
2 o'clock, like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Clock, okay. Yeah. So, but in Sanskritam, particularly all our Indian language, we do the same. Samayaha, Kalaha, Vela, etc. So there are many words for Samayam. I'll tell you after this what they are. So Samayaha, Kalaha, Vela. These 3 are very important things for time. Vadanam is her actually, her. So for 1 o'clock, what we call it as? Eka Vadanam. Repeat everybody please.
Ekavadanam.
Eka is 1. We know we already read the number, so it is easy. Eka is 1. Vadanam is 1 sounding like completed 1 hour. Vadanam is beat, 1 beat. Eka Vadanam. Like that is 1 hour. Second is,
Acharya, you said the words are Samayaha, Kalaha, and Vela. Now, this word Samayaha and Kalaha, are these masculine gender words?
Yeah, Samayaha, Kalaha, Vela is a Strilinga.
So same meaning, but different gender with the different
gender.
words. Yes. Okay.
For rhythmic purpose. Yeah. Okay. Eka Vadanam is 1 hour. Dvi Vadanam.
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Excellent.
Trivadanam.
3 Vadanam. 3 o'clock.
3 or 3 near. What is that?
Trivadanam.
3 vadanam.
4 o'clock.
Chaturvadanam.
Very good. Chaturvadanam. What will be the 5 o'clock?
Panchavadanam.
Wonderful. Panchavadanam. Next.
Shadvadanam,
Very good.
Saptavadanam, Astavadanam,
Very good.
Navavadanam, Dashavadanam.
Okay, very good. So let me introduce you to a new language called diacritical marks. You know diacritical marks? Anybody gone through, Swami? Which is very important for people who are learning Sanskritam in English. Okay, do you ever see this bar before A is called as Dirgha?
Yeah.
Okay. So the dot under is called as a sh, da, tata da, sh, da. Is the small curve above N is pancha, cha 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 jha ya. Okay. So the mark above under the T is ta.
Are you sharing something, Raghuramji?
See?
Are you sharing something?
No, I'm just showing the cursor. That's it.
No, I don't think you have opened the presentation.
Yeah, I opened it. Some people are not able to see.
No,
we are seeing only your screen.
You're only seeing the class 8. You're
seeing the list of
list of
it.
things.
Yeah, you need to.
I'll share once again. Stop sharing. Share screen. Now?
Not yet. Now, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Now is okay?
Yeah.
Now we see.
Yeah, I'm moving it from. Okay, I don't know why it's error. Okay. So Ekavadanam, able to see now? Dvivadanam.
Yes.
Yeah. Now 3, Chadurvadanam, Pancha, Shata, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha, Ekadashavadanam, Dvadasha. Only 12 hours we have, so it is Dvadashavadhanam. So what I'm telling is here there is a bar above A in Ekavadanam is a diacritical mark which sounds Dirgham.
Additional Dirgha.
Because in English there are only 26 alphabet, but in Sanskritam there are 43 sounds, and in Telugu different. So how to identify? So there are some things like Pancha, the small curve above N is called Pancha, cha, ja, ja, ya. It should be ya. The dot under S is a sha. The dot under D is called a da. And it is again a sha, it is a ta, ashta. Dot under T is ta, or else it's only normal T. And the above, the curve above yes is a Shankara Shakara. Shankara Shakara. So there are few small things. If you just identify them, next time it will be easy to pronounce exactly. Okay, come to the next bit. So in Sanskrit language, we use a sapada for about 15 minutes. So 4:45 or 5:15, there's a point called 15 minutes. After every 15 minutes, we change it. Na? 1, 1:15, 1.5, and 1:45, 1, 1:15, 1:30, that is 1.5, or 1:45. There is a point of 50. So that 15 point is called as sapada in Sanskritam. Pada is 15. Sapada means after 15 minutes. Repeat after me. Sapada. Ekavadanam.
Sapada Ekavadanam.
What is the meaning of it?
1:15.
Okay, 1:15 PM or AM. Okay. If it is 2:15, what we should call?
Sapada.
Dvivadanam.
Dvivadanam. Sapada. Dvivadanam. Okay. What is 7:15?
Sapada. Sapta.
That's it.
Vidhanam.
Okay. What about 12:15?
Sapada.
Dvadashavadhanam.
That's it. Dvadashavadhanam. Excellent. So remember 15. Now what we call idanim samayam kim jatam. What is now time? What is the time now? If it is 10:15.
Sapada Dashavadhanam.
That's it. Sapada Dashavadhanam. 10:15. Excellent. Next. We use a sardha for 30 minutes. Sardha for 30 minutes. If it is 10:30.
Sardha Dashavadhanam.
Sardha Dashavadhanam. Very good. If it is 11:30.
Sardha Ekadasha Vadanam.
That's it. That's it. So Sardha should be remembered. Everybody repeat. Sardha Dashavadanam.
Sardha Dashavadanam.
Sardha Ekavadanam. 130. Sardha Ekavadanam. Okay. Sardha Dvivadanam. Even. So Sardha means more, half plus. Half plus is Sardha. If it is 15 less,
Ekona. Padona.
Padona. As you remember, yeah, excellently. 1 less 20 is Ekona Vimshati. Eka Una, 1 less. Here Pada Una, 15 minutes less. You know what is a Padam?
Quarter. Yeah.
No. In Sanskrit we have shlokas. Like every day we are posting one shloka in which you find 4 padas. Every shloka consists of 4 lines. Whether smaller or bigger, it consists of 4 lines. That is called as Chatvari Pada. Even in Indian terms, we call as Dharma has 4 feet. Dharma walks on 4 feet. In Kali Yuga, it has only 1 feet. In Krita Yuga, Dharma used to be in 4 feet, established excellently, perfectly. Like in Treta Yuga, 1 feet gone, it walks on 3. In Dwapara Yuga, it is walking on 2. In Kali Yuga, it is walking on 1. Pada means feet. Okay. In our time, if you calculate exactly, it comes to 4 feet. Na? So 4 feet. They consider it as Chatvari Pada. So 1 to 15 is 1, 15 to 30 is 2, 30 to 45 is 3, 45 to again 12 is 4. So Pada Una, 1 pada is 115. Sorry, Sapada is plus, Pada Una is less. Okay, Pada Una is 15 minutes less. You should generally, it is not 45 minutes. It should be 15 minutes less. Okay, now tell me, quarter to 7 is called as?
Padona Ashtavadanam.
7 for
Padane,
Saptapadona.
quarter to 7.
Padona Saptavadanam.
That's it. Padona Saptavadanam. Tell about quarter to 12.
Padona
Dvadashavadanam. Tell me about quarter to 1.
Padona Ekavadanam.
That's it. Okay, quarter to 9.
Padona
Navavadanam.
That's it. Very simple. Okay. We give most of examples for this time in Sanskrit as an article. Okay. Sapada, like 15 minutes. Sardha is 30 minutes more. Padona is 15 minutes. Please remember these 3. Okay. Sapada, Sardha, Padona. So Sapada is 15 minutes more. Sardha is 30 minutes more. Padona is 15 minutes less. Generally, quarter to what? Quarter to 7 means what? Quarter less to 7. That is also Padona only, na?
Yeah.
Quarter less 7 we should generally spell it. But would be generally less is deducted. And what we call as, okay, quarter to 7. What quarter to 7? Quarter less to 7. Okay. For example, see what is here. Generally, if it is the bigger bar is on 12, we call it as Shadvadanam. Okay. If it is on 5, we call it as Panchadhika Shadvadanam. Repeat it.
Panchadhika Shadvadanam.
Pancha, actually Pancha Numesha Adhika Shadvadanam. 5 minutes more, 6 o'clock. Generally, we can understand well while just telling time. So no need of repeating minute again and again. It should be Panchadhika Shadvadanam. Repeat again.
Panchadhika Shadvadanam.
Panchadhika Shadvadanam. Okay, but it's 7-5.
Panchadhika Saptavadanam.
If it is
Panchadhika Saptavadanam.
Saptavadanam, excellent. If it is 12-5.
Panchadhika Dvadasha.
That's it. Pancha Adhika Dvadasha Vadanam. Simple. Going to the next one.
Dasha Adhika Ekavadanam.
Shadvadanam. We are going only on 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, only 6 o'clock.
Okay,
And
okay.
Dashadhika Shadvadanam. Okay, if it is about 12:10.
Sadhika Dvadasavadanam.
12:10. Dvadashadhika Dvadashavadanam.
Right.
Okay. Coming to the next simple one. Now it is
Sapada
Shadvadanam. So we can call it as Panchadashadhika Shadvadanam also. It is not mandatory and compulsory to tell only Sapada. For easiness, Sapada is generally used. If you want to tell us 6:15 as Panchadashadhika Shadvadanam is also fine. Okay. Please remember, Sanskritam is such a language where all the scholars of Sanskrit, all the speakers of Sanskrit wanted to try to minimize the words as minimum as possible. If you can express the complete meaning in 2 words, is also fine. No need of 20 and 200. Very less words, very less letters, and more meaning. If it is Sapada Shadvadanam, can be more minimized, they'll be happy. There is no rule that you should spell only this. Sapada Shadvadanam. You can also call it as Panchadashadhika Shadvadanam. Anything is okay. Okay, tell me like 3:15.
Panchadashadhika Trayo Vadanam.
Trivadanam. Okay, this is a longer one. Make it into shorter one.
Sapada Trivadanam.
Sapada Trivadanam, simple. If it is 7:15.
Sapada Saptavadanam.
Excellent, Sapada. Okay, tell me about 2:15.
Trivadanam.
Sapada
Trivadanam.
12:15.
Dvashadavadanam.
Dvadashavadanam. Next one. 20 is called as
Vimshati.
Vimshatyadhika Shadvadanam. Vimshati Adhika Shadvadanam. 20 more. Even in English also 6:20. What is 6:20?
20
What is
minutes
6:20?
20 minutes over 6, right?
That's it. Actually, we should spell like this only, but we are habituated to understand other spellings in time. So we are okay. We are adjusting it. Or else 20 minutes more, 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. We should, like this only we should talk generally, right? Okay. Here it is very clear. There we are understanding.
But can we speak in the same informal way, like Vimshati Shat?
Vimshati Shat. Shad Vimshati. Shad Vimshati Shat. Yeah, you can do. If other person is able to understand, okay. If you ask me what is time, what I will tell? Vimshatyadhika Dasha. Vadanam is our hours. If I tell that Vimshatyadhika Dasha, you may understand like, okay, 2010. What is 2010? 200 and 2010 also will come. So Vadanam, it comes under time. Okay, what is time now? Like 6:20. You will understand. If you ask me, Kim Samayaha, Kim Vadanam Idanim, if you ask what is the Vadanam, what is the time, then I can tell Vimshatyadhika Shat. It depends on question and how you answer. Okay, Vimshatyadhika Shadvadanam. If it is 11:20.
Vimshati Adhika Ekadasha Vadanam.
That's it. Vimshatyadhika Ekadasha Vadanam. 1:20.
Vimshati Adhika Ekavadanam.
Vimshati Adhika Ekavadanam. Excellent. Now, next one. 25. If you know the number 25 is easy.
Panchashati.
Panchavimshati. 25.
Panchavimshati Adhika
Shatvadanam.
That's it. Above any number, add the major one. Like the big bar on what it is? It is like 25 more 6. Panchavimshati Adhika Shadvadanam. Panchavimshati Adhika Ekavadanam. What is 725?
Panchavimshati Adhika Saptavadanam.
1125.
Panchavimshati Adhika Ekadasha Vadanam.
Anyone tell me what is 325?
Panchavimshati Trivadanam.
Adhika Trivadanam.
Adhika Trivadanam.
That's it.
So can you say 5 less than 6:30?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you can tell, but I told you, na, it becomes longer.
Okay.
Pancha una sardha shadvadanam. If you know what is half 6:30, then you can tell this. Pancha una, like 5 less, sardha shat, 6.5 or 6:30.
More complicated.
A little complicated. Okay, you can tell it this in this type also. Dashona sardha shadvadanam. 10 less 6:30. Padona sardha shadvadanam. Even you can tell this also. Pada una sardha shadvadanam. 15 less 6:30. You can tell.
It makes sense to say maybe it is like 6:55. That is like Panchaona Saptavadana.
Panchona Saptavadana. You'll get next one. Okay. This is Sardha Shadvadanam. Sardha Shadvadanam 6:30. What is 7:30?
Sardha Saptavadanam.
1:30?
Sardha Ekadasha Vadanam.
1:30.
Ekavadanam.
12:30? Sardha Dwadasha Vadanam. Yeah, very good. Next one, Panchatrimshadadhika Shadvadanam. 35, na? What is 35? Here Panchavimshati is 25. What is 35 then? Panchatrimshati. If you know, Ekatrimshati, 31, Dvatrimshati, 32. Next one?
Trishyamshati.
Trayastrimshati. Once again?
Trayastimshati.
Shati.
Trayastim.
Next? Chatustrimshati. Very good. Next one?
Panchastimshati.
Panchatrimshati. 36?
Shatrimshati.
Shatrimshati. Very good. Next, 37?
Saptatrimshati.
Very good. 38?
Astatrimshati. Navatrimshati.
Navatrimshati can be also called as?
Uno. Eka uno chaturvimshati. Chatvarimshat.
Okay. What is 41?
Ekona.
Una why?
Ekottara.
Not required.
Uttara.
No, not required.
No.
Uttara.
Eka
Chatvarimshat. That's it.
Okay.
Eka vimshati, Eka trimshati, Eka Chatvarimshat. That's it. Eka Chatvarimshat. If it is 42? Dvichatvarimshat. 43?
Trichatvarimshat.
44?
This one is difficult.
Chatushchatvarimshat.
Chatushchatvarimshat.
Chatushchatvarimshat. 45?
Panchashatvarimshat.
Very good. 46?
Chatvarimshat.
Even other people also, please try. Okay. 47?
Sapta.
Varimshat.
Chatvarimshat. 48?
Ashtachatvarimshat.
Excellent. 49?
Ashta. Nava Chaturma. Nava
Ekona.
Ekona?
Panchashat.
Ekona.
Very good. Eka una panchashat. Okay. 51?
Eka
Panchashat.
Eka panchashat. 52?
Panchashat.
Dvipanchashat or Dvapanchashat? Dvipanchashat is okay. Next one, 53.
Tripanchashat.
Very good. 54.
Chaturpanchashat.
Chatushpanchashat. Okay. 55.
Panchapachashat.
In Hindi, what is 55 called? Pachpan. Panchashat.
So, Acharya Garu, I have a quick question. So, Panchashat means Shat means 100, right?
Shat.
Shat.
Panchashat
What
means
is this Shat?
50.
But there is a Shat, 100 we use Shat, right?
Shatam.
What's it?
Shatam.
Okay.
If you use completely, it is century. If you use half, it is half.
Okay.
Okay. Shat Panchashat. 57.
Sapta Panchashat.
Panchashat.
Sapta Panchashat. Very good. 58.
अष्टपञ्चाशत्
59.
नवपञ्चाशत् षष्टि षष्टि
Oh, sorry, Shakti.
Ekona Shashti. Okay, what is 60?
Shashti.
Shashti, very good. Specialty of Shashti is we have 60 years and the lifespan of human being, according to astrology, Indian astrology, is 120 years. The repetition of 60 years will be 2 times in one's life. So, why we celebrate Shashti Purti? Because of not completing something 60 years, we completed 50% of our life. So, we celebrate.
Yeah, it's good to know we have 50% more at least.
Pardon? Pardon?
I said it's good to know we have 50 more percent.
You all will see it 120 years from me. No worry.
Yeah,
So, why I concluded up to 60? Because you have 60 minutes. So, wherever you can just stop, you can just tell the number. That's the reason I repeated all the numbers. Yeah. Next one is Pancha Trimshat Adhika. Next, if it is 40. 40. Chatvarimshat. Very good. Chatvarimshat Adhika Shadvadanam. 40 plus 6. Chatvarimshat Adhika Shadvadanam. Please repeat. Chatvarimshat.
Chatvarimshat Adhika Shadvadanam.
Chatvarimshat Adhika Saptavadanam. Chatvarimshat Adhika Ashtavadanam. What is 940?
940. Chatvarimshat Navavadanam.
Chatvarimshat, what Navavadanam? Chatvarimshat Adhika or
Adhika
Una?
Navavadanam.
You can tell like this also. Vimshat Yuna Dashavadanam. 940. Vimshati Una Navavadanam. Next. This is Pada Una Saptavadanam.
Quarter less.
Pada Una. Quarter less. Pada Una Saptavadanam. What is quarter to 1?
Adona Ekavadanam.
Ekavadanam. You can tell in other words. How can you tell this?
Sapada Shadvadanam.
Okay, now it is Sapada Shadvadanam. Tell me, how can you tell Sapada Saptavadanam in other words?
Pada Saptavadanam.
No,
Pancha
45.
Chatvarimshati Uttara Shadvadanam also, na?
I think getting confused now. Yeah.
No, 45 na, 645.
Okay.
If you can say in that words also. Pancha Chatvarimshat Numisha Uttara Shadvadanam Pada Una Saptavadanam.
Okay.
You can tell both sides, but which is easy, we are following it. That's it. Next, Dashona Saptavadanam. See, from now, Una turn. Una is mostly used. Or else what you should call?
Adhika.
Panchashad Adhika Shadvadanam or Dasha Una Saptavadanam. 10 less 7. 10 to 7. 10 to 7. What? 10 to 7? 10 minutes to 7. So, yeah. Dasha Una Saptavadanam.
Acharya-ji, the way it is written, is it Saptavadanam? Maybe.
Yeah, Saptavadanam. It is part to the
Okay, got you. That is, yeah.
Pancha Una Saptavadanam. 5 less 7. So you should understand, like, the numbers is easy to identify the time. So 15 is called as Pada. If it is plus, Sapada. If it is minus, Pada Una. If it is half, 30 minutes is called as
Sarda.
Sarda. Okay. So this is about time. Just let's do a small practice. Atharvaha madhyahne padona ekavadane gruham agachati. Atharvaha means a person.
Other.
Okay. Madhyahne.
Afternoon.
Gruham.
Home.
Agachati.
Came.
Will come.
Came.
Come.
Okay.
Agachati or coming.
Coming.
Tell me about Padona Ekavadane.
12:45.
Okay, 12:45 or quarterless 1.
1:45.
Sita, a wonderful talented lady. Sardha Saptavadane Pathashalang Gachati. Gachati means
Go.
go. At what time she'll go?
11:30.
Sardha Saptavadane.
7:30.
Sardham is half
Half?
an hour. Sapta 7. Vadane. 7:30.
Sardha Saptavadane 7:30 she'll go to Pathashala. Very good. Next one. Sureshaha, a good guy. Sayankale.
Sapadash
Shadvadanam. Sapada Shadvadanam means?
6:15.
Kridati.
Kridati.
What is Kridati?
Playing.
Please form the sentence completely. Sureshaha Sayankale Sapada Shadvadane Kridati.
Sureshaha Sayankale Sapada Shadvadane Kridati.
Translate it to English.
Suresh is going to play
at 7:30 in the evening.
7:30 in the evening.
Okay. Above one, Sita.
Sita is going to the college at 6:30 or 7:30.
So, Kalashala is college, ma. Pathashala is
School.
Okay, just small difference is there, but nothing wrong. Okay, next one. Rama Ratrau Padona Ekadasha Vadane Nidrang Karoti.
Time he is going to sleep.
At what time?
11:15.
11:15.
Pada una Ekadasha Vadane. Pada una.
Ekadasha.
11:45.
10:45.
10. Padona Ekadasha. 9:45.
11. This is called as 10:45. Eka Padona Ekavada. Yeah, Ekadasha. Next. Aham
Ekadasha Vadanam annaru.
Pardon?
So Padona Ekadasha Vadanam is 12:45, right?
No.
Pada una quarterless 11. What is quarterless 11?
Ekadasha is 11.
Acha. Yeah. Ekadasha.
Okay. Aham pratah kale shadvadane uttishyami. That's a mistake. Okay.
6 o'clock. I get it at 6 o'clock.
I'll wake up at 6 o'clock. That's it. So this is a small practice. So in Sanskritam, all times, if you want to tell all times, always, 2 words are there. That is Sada, Sarvada. So both are time telling words only.
Sada, Sarvada.
When you will dream, Sada. Okay. When you will eat, Sarvada. When you will breathe, Sarvada. When you will read, Sada. Always.
Sada.
Sarvada. Na sada kridami. I am not playing always. Na sarvada pathami. Not reading always. Na sarvada chintayami. I am not thinking always. If you add na, it becomes not always. Na is na always equal in every language. Yeah. At this time. Again, the time comes in a second way. If it is this time, it is called as adhuna. Adhuna Sita kim karoti.
What is Sita doing right now?
Tell me something in Sanskrit.
Sita Kridati.
Kridati. Very good. Sita is playing.
Okay.
Change anything, change any verb. Adhuna Sita kim karoti. Add adhuna.
Patati.
Adhuna Sita patati. In this way, form a sentence again.
Adhuna Sita.
Adhuna
Sita Patam Vinati.
Shrunoti. Shrunoti is listening.
Okay.
Okay. Change the verb and change the noun add aduna and form a sentence. Aduna. Instead of Sita, change a noun. Instead of Kridati verb, change a verb. Aduna.
Aduna Raghurama Sanskrita Bodha.
Bodha karoti.
Bodha karoti.
Very good. Next one.
Bodhati.
Aduna.
Sanskritam bodhati.
Sanskritam bodhati. Very good. More. Aduna. Varshati. It is raining outside.
Oh, wow.
Aduna varshati. It is raining. Now it is raining. Simple. Aduna varshati. Aduna Gita nidrati.
Aduna aham bahihi pashyami.
Aduna aham bahihi pashyami.
Pashyami means?
Looking at.
I am
outside.
I am watching.
See,
I'm looking.
when we are reading, just as actually classmates generally, when teacher is teaching, few students will just look outside from the window. No? In the same way, she is also, when class is going on, she is looking outside.
That's true. When you are talking about the weather, I'm looking outside.
Aham idani adhuna uhang karomi. I'm imagining what you are doing right now. Okay.
Aham janami.
Bhavati bahu sumedha vartate.
No, naiva.
Okay. So at this time is called as adhuna.
Yeah.
Or etarhi. Etarhi is very rarely used. Adhuna is often used everywhere in Sanskrit sentences.
Acharya, idanim also means the same thing.
Idanim, now, exactly. Idanim also, now. Idanim, now. Good. Adhuna, now, idanim, both are same. Very good. It's a new word.
Yeah, what is the second word in that at this time?
Etarhi. Etarhi.
Etarhi.
Okay. Adhuna is particularly belong to this time period. Okay. Like night time is called as Ratri, Ratrau, Nishaya, Nishi. All these comes under Ratri. Ratri is Nisha. Nisha, Nishidhini, Ratri, Striyama, Kshanada, Kshapa. In Amarakosha, these are the synonyms for night. We have a wonderful book called Amarakosha. Do you ever heard of it? It's a wonderful book. It's a wonderful creation in Sanskritam. It consists of 1350 to 1400 shlokas. But
So
entire.
what is the book name again, Acharya ji?
Amarakosha.
Oh yeah.
Okay, written by Amarasimha. So all the Sanskrit words will be in it. Every Sanskrit word can be seen in that book. Okay, so I'll enter it later. So night is called as Kshap or Ratri. Ratri Samaye at night time, etc. Okay, once upon a time, Kadachit. Pura Kale, once upon a time. Kadachit Ramaha Raja Asit.
So what about Kadapi?
Huh?
Is it Kadapi also same?
Kadapi is whenever.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Puratana Kale or Pura Kale Ekaha Raja Vartate Tasya Nama Ravanaha Saha Bahu Durmargaha Asit. So you can continue the sentences like this. Kadachit, once upon a time. Pura Kale, or once upon a time. So these two are time telling words which tells about the past, a long time ago. So Kadachit, form some sentences. Kadachit or Pura Kale.
Kadachit.
Kadachit Aham Samskritam Apatam. Once upon a time, I read Sanskritam. Pura Kale Rama Asti. Once upon a time, Rama was there. Asti is a present tense actually. Let us practice in Asti only. Once there was Ravana. Pura Kale Ravana Asti. Tell about Krishna.
Pura Kale Krishna Asti.
That's it. Tell about Sita.
Pura Kale Sita Asti.
That's it. You can add, you can change Asti and you can change the verb also. Okay. Both are, anything you can change to form a sentence. So these both words are time telling. once upon a time. Like Samaya Valayaha. Samaya Valayaha is a time zone. Central time zone, CST, and Indian time zone, IST. That is Samaya Valayaha zone. Samaya Valayaha. Generally, we use this time zones now, so I wanted to tell that. Time zone, we are in CST. CST, Madhya America Samaya Valaya. IST, Bharatiya Samaya Valaya. AST, Australia Samaya Valaya. Evam. Okay. Next, numbers, I think we already did this. Just to rough practice, I just kept this here. Easy, na? Up to 20, like we already practiced it today. 20 to 40. The last slide on, so it's a slide in from the last. Panchashata, Shashti, Saptati, Ashiti, Navati, Shatam, Sahasram, Laksham, Koti, etc. So it is 10:53. Shall we go to a important point, or let us find out some time concepts?
Yeah, let's do some time concepts.
Yeah, thank you very much. Because it takes more time, I don't want to rush in Vibhakti. I'll share some other thing to you. Yeah.
मम एक प्रश्नः अस्ति आचार्यजी. आचार्यः एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. आचार्यः विद्यार्थीन् बोधति, आचार्यः विद्यार्थिभ्यः बोधति. चतुर्थी विभक्ति आगच्छति वा विद्यार्थीन्?
Understand, a very beautiful topic you asked. We use Chaturthi Vibhakti when you are giving something to others without any desire or without any expectation. Which is going from you is called as, which is going from you for somebody is called as Chaturthi Vibhakti. Teacher is teaching. Guruhu bodhati. Teacher is teaching. For whom? Vidyarthibhyaha. If there is a question asked more about the teacher, then Vidyarthibhyaha bodhati. Or else, if it is in a common sentence, what is it? Guruhu Vidyarthin bodhati. Teacher teaching students. Ramaha palanam karoti. Kasya palanam? Praja palanam karoti. So if it is a direct sentence, Guruhu Vidyarthin, to the students. Teacher is teaching to the students. If it is teacher is teaching for the students, then it is Chaturthi. So our concept is, our context is teacher is teaching to students.
Yes.
Then only Dvitiya Vibhakti comes. Okay, it is actually confusing to all the other people. Next class, when we do Vibhaktis, then you will come to know it very clearly. And I think almost in next class, we'll be completing the phrasing of sentences and nouns, pronouns, nouns completed, like pronouns completed. If you understand the Vibhaktis, helping suffixes will be known in the next class. And time zones and numbers completed. Almost like we can talk from the next class, like after next class. I think today is 8th one, 9, 10 maybe. From 11th class, we will be talking in Sanskritam only. Because all the grammatical concepts were completed, such that if it is required, we'll go back to the grammar and we'll take the reference and we'll just correct our sentences for the perfection.
Astu. Dhanyavadah.
Okay. So times uses, that is Vela. Hope you will be able to see the slide of my computer.
Yes.
Yeah. So it is all the usage of time in Sanskrit. One is Vela. Vela means time. Samayaha.
Time.
Same time only. Okay. Kala.
Time.
Time. Kale, in time. Kale is called as?
In time.
In time. Kale agatam. In time.
What is that vibhakti?
What vibhakti? Where it is? Kale?
Kale, Saptami Vibhakti.
Let us discuss in the next class, Swami. Don't get confused. So I'm just telling about the different times of when we use the time in different wordings. Kale is in time. Prapta kale, same, in the same time. Next, samaya apeksha, time required. The time required is called as samaya apeksha. We require time. Time already out. We require more time is called as samaya apeksha. Sometimes when it is 11:10 and 11:15, aham samaya apeksham bhavayami. I feel like I need more time, but time is running out. Is samaya apeksha. Next one, prapta kale. Prapta is arriving. Kale. In railway stations, we use this word. Prapta. Like, I don't know how to form a sentence. Like, prapta kale, arriving time, exact time. Again, samaya apeksha is time out. Prapta kale. Ekada. I think we read this one, na? Ekada.
Once, yeah.
Once, very good. Next one. Kalatyayaha, atyayaha, exceeding of time. Kala is time, atyayaha is exceeding. Kala avasana, gap. Avasanam is gap. Kala avasanam, your time completed. There's a gap between time. There's break. Kala avasana. Niyati kala. Niyata kala is restricted time. Your particular time is called as niyata kala. Niyata is time bound. Next, prachalat kalika, the time going. Prachalati kalika, the time is going. You can call this when you need to tell time is going. Vastava kalam is a real time. Vastava kalam. What is our vastava kalam?
Present time.
Present tense. For yesterday it is future tense. For tomorrow it is past tense. For today it is present tense. What is vastava kalam?
Now.
Now, what is now?
Present.
When you are telling now, the time already passed away. So when we call as idani, like the time already went off. I can't say this idani. I can't hold the time. So then it is becoming past. If you want to tell idanim, it is future tense. So we can't hold the time. So the time is going. What is vastava kala? In philosophy, people will tell this. You have no time at all in your hand. Just go on doing. So everything is past. Okay. Next, satya kalika, real time, exact time. Tell me the true time. Bahukalat, long time. It should be bahukalat. Bahukalat, long time. Nishkriya kalaha, nishkriya, useless time. Virama kalaha, break time. Okay. Next, gaveshana kalaha, search time. Next, samaya karma, working time. Samaya karma, work time actually. Project time is of 2 years. Na? Some software engineers will work in a project is of 2 years time. Samaya karma. Add the time. Dvivarshiya samaya karma. Dvivarshiya. And okay, next one. Samaya sarini. Timetable. Or you can say schedule, anything. Samaya sarini. Kala shreni. That is time scale. Okay. Next, Samaya Palaka. Our principal used to be there. Is a Samaya Palaka. He used to come to college at the college starts at 8:30. He used to come at 8:15 and used to stand before the gate, main gate. People who come in a traffic, they used to feel very shy. Above him, there used to be a very good quote. Punctuality is the first discipline of human being. Whenever we come late, we used to feel very shy. Why he should come early? He can come late now. Sometimes it happens. When we used to come early, he never used to come early. When I'll be late, then he'll be standing there. He don't scold us, but he'll just stand like this. Sir, is everything okay? Yes, sir, good morning. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. He never scolded me, but I used to feel guilt. Okay. Kala amshaha. Amsha is time, part of time. Okay. Prati kala, every time.
Sada, sarvada is same?
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
But these
it
are
happens
also
to
the different words we use time.
Okay, okay.
Samaya nashaha. Nasha means waste, na? Samaya nashaha, waste of time. Kala tirohita, time bar, time out. Time out, already we read 2-3 things, na? 2-3 words all there. This is the third one. Ekada, I think we read this, ekada. Once. Kadapi. Kadapi. Kada, when. Kadapi, whenever. Yada kada, at any time. When we eat, yada kada. When we talk, yada kada. When are you free? If anyone asks me, yada kada, I'll be free. Aham sarvada akarya eva asmi. Abhigamavadhi. Avadhi is again time. Up to. Avadhi is up to. Abhigamavadhi, until you go. That is access time. These are all computer concepts like Samvidha Samaya. Samvidha Samaya. Like systematic time or projected time. Savadhi, until. Purvakala, before. Prakala, before time again. Purvakala or Prakala, both are same. Purva or Prak, that is east, previously. Tatkale, in that time. Tada, I think we read this. Tada, then, at that time. Tada aham agataha yada suryaha uditaha. I came here when sun rises. Like, tada, then. Asmin samaye, this time. Yada kadapi, again, at some time. Tadanim, then. At that time. Yada suryaha uditaha tadanim sita uditaha. When sun is rising, Sita is also getting up at that time. Tadanim. Samprati. At this time. See, idanim. Idanim. The other word, the samprati also same. We used to listen to this word in Sanskrit news. Samprati vartaha shruyantam. Samprati, present news or current news actually. The Baladevananda Sagara is one of my friends actually. I met him many times. You know Baladevananda Sagara, the Sanskrit news reader.
Yeah.
I met him in Haridwar. When I went to a seminar. From then he became a very good friend of mine. One day I'll try to call him and just get connected to us in our class.
Oh wow. But please make sure after.
Might be aged or no? More than 60, yeah? 70.
Around 70, Swami.
Yeah.
Around 70. So one day I'll try to call him. But maybe he'll come. He's very enthusiastic and he's very encouraging.
Baladevananda Sagara.
Baladevananda Sagara.
Yeah.
Right. Yada kadapi. Like sometime. Tadanim samprati.
Kalatit.
Kala atitaha. Atitam is just exceeding. Iyata kalena, in this time. Iyata kalam, in this time. Tat kalam.
At that time.
That time, very good. Sarvada. Always. Vartamana.
Present time.
Very good, present time. Sayankal. We know that.
Evening.
Kala.
Kala samvibhajana. Kala vibhajana. Time sharing. Kasmin samaye. It's a question. Kasmin samaye.
What time?
What time?
Prativachanavadhi. Avadhi is also again time. Up to prativachanam. What is prativachanam?
Response.
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 Until when? Until you respond. Anushtanavadhi. Anushtanam is practice. Anushtanam is practice. Until when I should wait for you, man? Anushtanavadhi nirikshanam kartavyam. Nirikshanam is waiting, kartavyam should do. Anushtanavadhi, until practice time. Purva kalam, again previous. Kala kale, kala kalam, every time. Bahoh kalat purvam. Someone is speaking, I think.
Long time ago.
Any question? Okay. Bahoh kalat purvam. Long time ago.
Yeah,
Even Ekada
very-
Ramaha Raja Asit. Once Rama was there. Baho Kalat Purvam Ramaha Raja Asit. You can use this word also. Once, long time ago. Kati Vadane.
What's the time?
At what time? Kim Idanim Samayam. What is time now? Kati Vadane. At what time? Samaye agacchatu.
Came in time.
Come in time.
Yeah.
This is in conversation. Samaye agacchatu. Bhavan dashavadane samaye agacchatu. You come in time. Samaye agaccha. Come in time. Okay. And suchita samaya. Schedule time. Nirdharita samaya.
determined time.
You find it in railway station. आप जाने वाले गाड़ी निर्धारित समय पे प्लेटफॉर्म पर रहेगी. उड्डयन काला. Uddayana is flight. Uddayana kala. Time of flight.
Udan kal.
Purva kala karma. Purna kala karma. I think our Santosh ji is working Purva Kala Karma. Purna Kala Karma, full-time work. What is part-time work? Bhaga Kala Karma.
Artha Kala Karma is half time.
Half-time work. Okay. Prag, okay. Dirghena Kalena, Dirgha Kalam. Dirgha Kalam, long time, Dirgha Kalam. Mama Mitrasya Dirgha Kala Maitri Vartate. Me and my friend are Dirgha Kala Maitri, long time friendship. Dirgha Kala Jnanam. Dirgha Kala Jnapakam, long time memory. Dirgha Kala Jnapakam. Tatkala Paryantam, up to that time. Mahantam kalam jatam drishtva. After a long time I'm seeing you. I saw you after a long time. Mahantam kalam, long time. Katidha, how many times? Katidha kathitam maya. How many times I said to you? Uttishta, jagradha. Get up. Teacher used to scold me. My teacher, Vasundhara teacher used to be there. She used to be very terrific. Katidha, how many times I should tell you to do the homework in a proper time, write neatly? Katidha, how many times? Thank you all. Just you in the manner of in the process of teaching you, I am remembering all my teachers. I think even you have your own stories of teachers, you know.
Yes.
Okay. Kiyantam kalam, up to what time? Like in that way. So there are many. See, I have almost kale. See here. Chirad, after a long time. Okay. Yeah. So this is just about time today. So I think not only how to understand the time, but also I think how to what are the different words of time also we learned today. I think I want to give you a time. Just start speaking something what you learned today, something good, or how classes are going on. and what you learn something new. I have again a complaint that you people are not responding to the shlokas and effort I'm just using.
I have one suggestion, Raghuram Garu.
Yeah.
Like I think giving one like a small exercise to write a sentence, give in English, and then ask, that will be, I think, will encourage people to write.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I started last in the last week on Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yeah.
I think
that was a good one. That was a good one. Yeah.
I wanted to do it, but very less number of people are participating. I request you to just participate.
Yeah. But the thing with the
nothing wrong in doing a mistake. I feel as more mistakes you do, more perfect you become.
See, with the sloka, you're already putting all the meaning, everything. So what is else we can add, we think sometimes. You know what I mean?
Very important thing, Swami. Very good. May I know to whom I'm speaking to? I'm speaking to Lakshmana Reddy Garu?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Why I'm just giving you a shloka is because of 3 reasons, Swami. Number 1, Sanskritam literature is in shlokas only. If you go on reading daily 1 shloka, I think from last 8 weeks now, almost 2 months, almost around 50 to 60 shlokas, I just posted every day. You know, it is not a copy pasted one. I need to type every day. It takes time for 20 minutes every day, 25 minutes.
No, but if you give an exercise related to that shloka, then we can respond. Yeah.
That's what I'm telling. Why I'm posting that shloka every day, every week, whatever we are learning, whether nouns or verbs, I feel like you will identify that. In the last class also I told you the same. You identify that if there is any Rama, it will be a noun. When it is Krida, Gacha or Vada, etc. is a verb. What you need to do? I think, Swami, there are 3 nouns in it. These are nouns. Okay, I think there are 2-3 verbs in it. These are verbs. So identify the verbs and nouns. Even if I give you a practice in a paper also, it's the same. What I'm doing is I'm directly connecting you to the shloka. I'm giving you meanings also, such that you can identify whether this is a word, a verb or a noun. So first, identify the verbs, identify the nouns. I gave you the numbers. If you find any numbers in that, you can tell that in Sanskritam. Just post me. I'll correct it. Hope you might have observed after posting this, I have corrected many things also. Like it takes a lot of time to me to correct. Still, I'm ready to do that.
Yes.
But I need encouragement. As if you start doing it, you just start participating in it. I'll do this also. Okay, you asked me to do the sentences, we'll do sentences also. But shloka reading is always a scholastic and scholastic concept which makes you more perfect in understanding shlokas. In future, next after 2-3 weeks, we are going to discuss, communicate in only Sanskritam. Then this knowledge will help you a lot.
Yeah, we are reading it, but I think it sometimes feels a little bit redundant to repeat what you have already said.
Not required. Don't read, don't repeat. Just understand the words, find out the nouns and post it again. This is a noun, this is a verb, this is a pronoun. So this makes you perfect to identify. However, I'll give you a sentences. From I already thought of doing it this week, last week once. This week I won't do it 2 days. Next week 3 days I'll do the practice of sentences. But I want the support from you is to just come back and just find out the nouns, pronouns, verbs, etc.
Acharya ji,
Swami.
On the verb side, could you discuss in your class something about different tenses?
That's what, Swami. In one class I can't just bring everything.
No, but next
time. Last class I just taught about the numbers. Today we read about the times. Next we are going to about the vibhakti, which is already posted here. Next class is vibhakti, how to identify the nouns and in which situation what type of word we need to use. Okay, we will do that in the next class. Next tenses. After tenses there is nothing to read, just practice.
Yeah.
Only one thing we need to create is word building. As many words we build, those many sentences with adjectives and beautification techniques we'll just discuss with someone. Like we can pronounce it, we can converse. Okay. So today, try to identify the numbers, try to talk to your people to tell time in Sanskritam. Vasudha-ji and everyone, I request Narayan Pai-ji, just tell time in Sanskritam to you both. When you are going to eat, Sartha Ekavadane Aham Bhojanam Karishyami. Or Bhojanam Karomi. Someone, you can ask your wife, Kada Pachati, when you are cooking, Aham Sartha Dashavadane Pachanam Karomi. I'll cook at 10:30. In that way, try to just build the words.
Yeah, maybe wife will ask husband, Kada Pachati.
Bharta Kadapi Buddhi Pachati. Bharya Sarvada Bhojanam Pachati. Okay, so keep practicing. Do well. Sarvebhyah Shubhadinam. Shubhavasaraha.
Punarmilamaha.
Punarmilamaha. Punarravivasara Milamaha.
Dhanyavada.
Vibhakti Vishayam Patama.
Avarsyam.
Please, I request you all to please participate in the everyday conversation. I feel happy. Or else sometimes I'm feeling like I'm just wasting time. I should not get that feel sorry.
Yeah. Sarvada Dhanyavada.
Thank you. Dhanyavada. Shubhadinam.
Dhanyavada.
Shubhadinam. Shubhadinam.
Dhanyavada.
Guruji, one question from Priya. What is the word for lifetime?
What is the word for lifetime? Shashvatam. Yavat Jeevam.
Javajiyam. Shashvatam. Okay.
A lifetime achievement award. Yavat Jeeva Puraskaraha. Jivita Safalya Puraskaraha.
Jivita Safalya. Okay, successful.
Jivita Safalyam is lifetime achievement award.
Achievement.
Yavat Jeevam is lifetime.
Yavat Jiva.
Yavat Jeeva Vidyarthi Aham.
Okay, lifetime student.
Student. Yavat Jeeva Vidyarthi. Yavat Jeeva Guruhu Paramatma. Mama Guruhu. Yavat Jeeva Guruhu.
Okay.
Okay. Yavat Jeeva Siksha.
Lifetime learning.
Punishment. Siksha. Okay.
Oh, Siksha.
Learning and punishment also. Yavat Jeeva Siksha. Okay.
Yeah, Yavat Jiva Karagara Siksha. Yeah.
Karagara Vasaha. Okay. Karagara Vasaha. Okay. Bharya Jeevanam ya Bhartru Jeevanam. It's a funny joke between wife and husband. Yavat Jeeva Siksha. Vivaham Yavat Jeeva Siksha.
Okay.
So I'm not feeling like that. Sorry, just for fun. I'm just telling.
No, yeah, sure. Yeah.
Sure means you are experiencing it, man. Okay. So happy day. Enjoy the time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.